We're going to figure out how many days till New Year's Day, but we're going to do something really cool. We're going to automate this with a formula, and I'm going to show you something really cool that this is going to actually be automated for every single year. So let's delete this text because we're not going to enter text. We're going to enter the equal sign. We're going to do DATEDIF, which is the date difference between a start date and an end date. For the start date, let's choose today. We're using the formula today to put that in automatically, and that's going to change every single day. The end date now is going to be date. We're going to put a formula date, and now we need a year, 2025, comma 1, comma 1. So that's the first day of the first month of 2025. Now, in units, we need to put in quotes D, lowercase d there. Now, this is going to get us 20, but as you can probably imagine, if we're looking at this in 2025, it's going to show us a negative number. Actually, it shows us an error. In fact, it doesn't even do negative numbers. So how can we ensure that this 2025 is going to be always the next year? On the first day of the year, we want it to be the next year. We're going to use year formula. We're wrap that around today, but this is whatever today's year is. So we're actually going to add +1 to this. And now, on the first day of the first month of the next year, this today will change to 2025 and then add 1, so it'll be 2026. So this will always show you the next New Year's Day, or how many days till the next New Year's Day. And so we have 20 days here, and we can also edit this if you wanted to say the next in 2 years or something. This is really cool. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you're not yet a Better Sheets member, become one today to get way more out of your Google Sheets than you've ever gotten before. I'm teaching people how to automate your sheets. Literally, your sheets can work while you sleep. Or teaching you good design, good fun, and how to really enjoy Google Sheets and make them better for you and make you a better life.